Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Avoiding typecasting overflow in Java, a comprehensive guide. Typecasting in Java, while a powerful tool, can lead to unexpected behavior and data loss if not handled carefully. One of the most common pitfalls is overflow, which occurs when you try to convert a larger data type to a smaller one, and the value exceeds the capacity of the target type. This tutorial will delve into the concept of typecasting overflow, explore the consequences, and provide various strategies with code examples to prevent it. 1. Understanding typecasting and data types in Java. Before diving into overflow, let's briefly recap Java's data types and typecasting. Java's primitive data types, in increasing order of size. Byte 8-bit signed integer, -128 to 127.